Today I quickly want to talk to you about my Macard Wi-Fi extender. This is the N300 model, and it's essentially used to extend the Wi-Fi signal in our house. We have quite a long house, long layout, and our Wi-Fi router is all the way at the back. So we realized when we initially moved in that it wouldn't reach the front of our living room. So we got one of these as just sort of a way to send the signal from the bedroom out to the middle of the house, which is where the kitchen is, and then anything beyond that, we can use this Wi-Fi extender rather than the bad Wi-Fi signal in our bedroom. Really, really great. It's been awesome, super easy to set up, which I love because I feel like some Wi-Fi things can be a little bit complicated to set up, so I love that. It's kind of a little bit of a pain to reset if you need to, so that's one thing, but as you can see, very, very space efficient. All you have to do is put out these little arm antenna things here, and it picks up your Wi-Fi signal and sends it a little bit further. So if you're looking for a good, high quality yet inexpensive extender that you can sort of keep hidden in your home, highly recommend this one.